jugar un papel, jugar un papel importante. This is a very good phrase, very common when talking. This is a more advanced phrase. You're talking about something that was essential, in whatever situation. You could be talking about a project. You could be talking about health. You could be talking about people in general. You might want to say this person was essential, to be able to do this, or to be able to achieve something. So let's see what this means. Let's see. To play an important role. Okay. It's different. It's different. We're not talking, we cannot literally translate this phrase, but it's similar to saying that you're saying that something played, or someone played an important role in a situation. Okay. So literally this means jugar means to play. Okay. An, and this is where the details, you can see the details here. First, importante means important. Okay, so you know that. You can tell just by looking at the two words, importante, important. And then we have papel. Papel means paper. Paper, but also in Spanish can refer to a role. Okay, especially when using this phrase, jugar un papel importante, to play an important role. So now let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. Remember, you will need to know the conjugation of the verb jugar, in order to use this phrase. Ella jugó, that's the verb jugar, conjugated in the present tense. In the past tense, it already happened. And let's continue. Jugó un papel importante. Ella jugó un papel importante en el proyecto. En el proyecto. This means she played an important role in the project. Okay, so this is a good one. You're saying, she was important. She was essential. She did a lot to be able to achieve this. Okay, so that's a really good phrase. Ella means she, and we have the phrase right here, jugó un papel. It's a long phrase, but it's a good one. Importante. Ella jugó un papel importante. She played an important role in the proyecto. Project. Okay, so it's quite simple. You're pretty much using just the phrase. You're saying who was essential, the phrase that means to play an important role, and also where, like what was the thing the people or she was working on in this situation. The project, just a random project, really. Nothing too specific. So this is a good one. Now let's look at the next example using the same phrase. La tecnología juega un papel importante hoy. Okay, so it's simple. It's very simple. I know you know what tecnología means. It sounds familiar. And hoy, do you know the word hoy? Hoy. I like the sound of that one. Technology plays an important role today. Okay, so let's break this down. Very simple. In this situation, we're not talking about a person, we're talking about a noun. Okay, so a thing, an idea. It could be an idea as well. So la tecnología. I mean, when saying plays an important role, it's more like you're talking about facts, not really an idea, but facts. That's what I wanted to say. La tecnología, technology, juega. Juega means, well, you know, juega un papel importante. Importante, plays an important role. And here we have the verb jugar conjugated, of course, just as we do here. Hoy, hoy, hoy. It's like saying O and I. Hoy, 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 today. Okay? Today, hoy. Excellent. So it's important to remember that this phrase can be used, you know, when talking about people or things, facts. Okay, like technology, it's a noun, and then we have a person as well. So just remember that it's important. So jugar un papel importante means to play an important role. It's that easy. It's that easy.